Hello everyone, this is Meera Gupta, and in this video I am going to give the introduction of class 12th English book Flamingo. The chapter is The Rat Trap. First of all, let us see about the significance of the title The Rat Trap. The rat trap is a metaphor to highlight the human predicament. Just as a rat is fooled by a bait and gets trapped, most human beings are likely to fall into the trap of material benefits. Means here the writer compares rat to human beings. Not only the rat are caught in a trap, also all human beings are likely to fall into the trap of material benefits. Okay. Now let us see about the writer. The writer is Selma Lagerlöf, who was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. She was born in 1858 and was died in 1940. This story is set in the middle of the mines of Sweden, which are rich in iron ore. The story is narrated in the manner of a fairy tale. It gives us the message that the emotion of love and acceptance can reform others. Means we can change, we can transform any person from bad to good by showing our love and concern. Now let us see the character of this story. Here you can see 4 characters are important in this story. The first one is Ida Wilmanson, second one is Iron Master, third one is Rat Trap Peddler, and the fourth and last one is your crafter. Okay, so let us see the character one by one. First, see the character of Rat Trap Peddler. He was a poor vagabond, was wearing shabby rag clothes. He used to sell rat traps to earn his livelihood. But his selling rat trap is not sufficient for him, so he started thievery also. And his thinking is that the whole world is a big rat trap and all human beings are vulnerably to be trapped by various types of bats, same as rat. Philosophy's people existence in the rat trap. He himself got trapped in this rat trap when he stole 30 kroners of the old crafter. Once what happened with him, he stolen 30 kroners from the old crafter, and means this was the sin of him that is done at that time. There was some goodness left in him that was brought to surface by kind Ida, but not he means entire he was not a bad. Still there was some goodness inside him, and that was awakened by kind Ida. And due to that kindness, due to that love, due to that concern shown by Ida, at the end of the story, he transformed himself and returned the stolen money to the crafter through Ida. Means he gives back what he gets. And at that time, at the end of the story, he was fully a transformed man. He was fully a good man. And these all things happened only because of Ida. Okay. Now let us see the next character. The next character of this story is Iron Master. He was rich. He was owner of a large iron factory named Ramso Iron Work. His greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. He was kind-hearted and friendly too. Earlier, he was in a military, but he was not very observant. Also, he was not good in judgment of character. When he mistakes the rat trap sailor as his old friend, he tried to help him. Means once when he met with the rat trap, he thought that that man is his old acquaintance, his old friend, and that's why he tried to help him. He did not insult him because of his own out condition. He took him to his own house and cared for him. Only why? Because he considered that man his old acquaintance. When he realized his mistake, he was angry with the poor man. Means when he came to know that that man was not his old friend, he became very angry. He became so angry that he wanted to throw him out of the house. But nevertheless, on his daughter's request, he behaved nicely with him. Means his daughter requested him to not throw that person out of home. Let him stay back into the house for the Christmas Eve. The next character and very important and very nice character of this story is Idla Wilmanson. She was not all pretty by look, but she was modest and quite shy. Exceptionally kind. She was very kind. She was wise and perceptive too. She was observant, unlike her father. She was having a great judge of human character. She displays maturity and grace to the peddler, to the vagabond man. She is kind, gentle, and hospitable. And because of his kindness, because of her gentleness, because of her hospitality, she gave shelter to that stranger, to that peddler. Despite her knowledge about the peddler's intention, she treats him with respect and feeds him well. Later, she realized that the man was not acquaintance of that family. She realized the intention of that man, but she treats him with respect and feeds him well. She feels it was unethical to send a guest away as he had been promised Christmas cheer. Means earlier he was promised by the family to be stay at home till Christmas, and that's why she feels that it was unethical to send a guest away out of home. He was able to rise to the level of captain, leaving his temptation. Means the family considered him like means they thought that earlier he was a captain, and because of the back condition he looked like that, and that's why the man transformed himself and leave all his temptation aside, just because he did not want to let her as well as himself down. Okay, because he knew Adla was having a good intention for that man. She is able to awaken goodness in the peddler's heart by showing understanding and love. She shows her understanding towards that person, she shows her love towards that person, and these all things changed the peddler. Her kindness and caring nature transformed unscrupulous vagabond into a good human being. She is the most positive figure in the story, and her compassion and generosity are the reason for the peddler transformation. She is the most positive figure in this story, and that's why only because of her the peddler became a transformed person at the end. Now, the last character of this story is the old crafter, who was lonely without wife or children. He welcomed all the people into his home, and that's why he welcomed Rat Trap too. He shared supper of porridge with Rat Trap, sailor, and also he played with him. He played cards with him. He was generous with confidences too. He was supported by his cow. Last month he got 30 kroner from the creamery. Means from the creamery he collected 30 kroner last month. And what happened? When he met with the peddler, he showed his guest where he kept the money. And later, the peddler cheated him and stolen all the money from where he kept. So, in this way, you have seen the characters of the stories. Now, let us see the significance of the title. The title Rat Trap is a very appropriate for the story, deals with the life of a rat trap peddler. The author has employed the metaphor of the rat trap quite effectively in order to justify the title of the story. Metaphor means here the human beings are compared to the rats. Just as the rat trap offers cheese and porks to entrap the rat, the world offers riches and joys, food and shelter as baits to trap the people. The story revolves around the rat trap peddler who steals money and is entrapped. Hence, the title is very appropriate. You can see here the rat who is going inside the trap. Means you can say the rat trap is a moralistic story which presents to us the virtue of kindness and charity. Means if we show our kindness, if we show our charity to the criminal or to the thief or to the bad person, definitely that person will transform. So, in a good. What is the theme of the story? The story upholds the belief that essential goodness of a human being can be awakened through love and understanding, as the peddler was awakened by Adler's love and understanding. It brings into focus the idea that the world is a rat trap. Riches, joys, shelter and food all are the lucrative bets to trap. The conclusion of the story. Finally, the bitter truth dawns on the host. Idla is downcast when she learns that the peddler is a thief. The tramp undergoes a change of heart after experiencing her kindness. He returns the stolen money and writes a letter to her thanking her for helping him escape the rat trap. He attains nobility of spirit and becomes Captain von Stahl. The story ends with the victory of human goodness. Means who has the victory? The human's goodness has the victory. Here the person is totally transformed in a good one, in a good person, only because of the kindness, love, and concern. Here in this story, the peddler was earlier he was not fully good, but later he realized his mistakes, he realized his guilt just because of Edla, and feeling these all things bad, he transformed himself into a good one, and this all credit goes to Edla Welsmans. Okay, so in this way you can see you can transform any person showing your love and concern to that one. In the next PDF file, I will explain this chapter line wise. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day.